Welcome to Around the Armstrong Table. Today, I got some Capn Crunch French toast for you guys. Enjoy. Let's get this Cap'n Crunch French toast started. Here's all the ingredients that you're going to need for this dish. So let's get this going. First, I want to say please like and subscribe to the channel. It truly helps the channel grow, and I thank you guys for all the support. The first thing we're going to do is take the Cap'n Crunch cereal, and we're going to get them pretty much almost to the size of breadcrumbs. You do want to have some of the bigger pieces. It just adds that extra crunch when you go ahead and bite into the French toast, and it's absolutely delicious. I promise you, you'll love it. Get some eggs, and what you want to do is go ahead and beat your eggs up. You're going to add a few ingredients with that before you do so. So we're going to add some cinnamon, also some brown sugar, and I'll say that's about a tablespoon of cinnamon. The brown sugar is 1/3 of a cup, and then also 1/3 of a cup of milk. You can use skim milk, whole milk, 2%, whichever you prefer. Get everything incorporated together with the eggs, and then what you're going to do is put that aside. I used too small of a bowl, so I went ahead and got a bigger bowl. And now that you've got the egg and all the happy ingredients incorporated together, get a nice thick piece of bread. I like brioche bread for this one, and you want to make sure you coat that with the cereal, and it's just going to be absolutely delicious. So next, we're going to get our pan nice and hot, put it on about a medium-high heat, and you're going to add in some butter. As they say, butter makes everything better, okay? So you take the butter, you want to get that butter to where it starts to foam up. Not to where it's brown yet, because that'll start to happen as the French toast goes into the pan. And at this point, all you're going to do is be patient. Flip it as many times as you want, just until you start to see everything start to brown. You get that crisp outer coating of the French toast, and I'm telling you, it's so good. Once the French toast is pretty much where you want it, we're going to add some additional ingredients on top of it. But like I said earlier, keep flipping until you get the desired, texture that you want. For me, I want this extremely crispy on the outside. And everything else is going to be some very fresh ingredients that's just going to enhance this dish even more. And I'm telling you, that brown, you know what they say, when your food is brown, that adds flavor. This is just, it's simple, but when done right, it's so good. So please, just do your best. Follow the steps on this one. So next we're gonna come in. I'm gonna dice up some fresh strawberries, and really you can put as many as you want on here. So obviously, being that this is a big piece of toast, I had a bunch of strawberries that I wanted to add to this. And then, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna get this simple Cap'n Crunch flavor packed French toast plated. So here you go. You put the French toast on a plate. You're gonna come in with those strawberries and layer them on. Throw as many as you want on there, because what comes next just enhances everything. So the way I like to do my French toast is I don't want to just add syrup on it. I'm actually going to add a little bit of honey as well. So you want some good quality honey, or whatever your heart's desire. But add some honey on there, and you want to drizzle that on top of the French toast, okay? And to follow up the honey, you're going to add some really good maple syrup to go on top of that. And we'll put a little bit of powdered sugar for garnish and really for presentation. Doesn't really need it, but I'm telling you, it just looks absolutely beautiful when you add that on there. And this dish is done. Again, I ask you guys to please, please like and subscribe to the channel. I truly thank you for all the support. The channel's continuing to grow. The food here is what I love to do, and I hope you guys are enjoying the dishes that I'm putting together. Love some suggestions. Please comment below as well. Give me some ideas. I'm open to it. But I tell you, this one right here, this could be breakfast. This could be brunch. If my daughter absolutely loved this. Her birthday's coming up, so I made sure I prepared her for her birthday. And guys, I'm telling you, it's simple, quick, delicious dish, and I hope you make it for your family. But I thank you so much. And again, from my table to your table, you guys have a good one, and I appreciate it.